Goat. 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 This goat is a plant eater animal. And this one, a goat has backward curving horns. Goats provide humans with milk, cheese, meat, and leather. This goat is a baby goat. Baby goat is called a kid. Hen. 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 Hens eat worms, insects, seeds, grains, fruit, vegetables, and many other foods. Its male is called a rooster. Hens provide humans with meat and eggs. Hen's baby is called a chick. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My video about is animal word. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Cat is a meat eater animal, but milk is considered as its favorite food item. And cat have powerful night vision. This cat usually has about 12 whiskers on each side of its face. This cat's young one is called a kitten. Next animal, dog. D-O-G, dog. This dog is a meat eater animal. And this dog has good hearing abilities and an acute sense of smell. And this humans use dogs to guard as a companions and guides, e.g. for blind people. And this dog's young one is called a puppy. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Sheep is a plant eater animal. And sheep are very social creatures. Next one, the sheep. A sheep is a breed for its wool, skin, and meat. Sheep young one is called a lamb. Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Ducks eat grass, grains, insect, aquatic plants, and fish. Ducks have webbed feet which act like paddles. Ducks are farmed for their meat, eggs, and feathers. Young duck is called a duckling. Cow. 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 Its male is called a bull. Cows provide humans with milk, cheese, meat, and leather. Cows eat vegetation such as grass. Young of cow is called a calf.